If you couldn't work, how far could you go without a paycheck? None of us are immune to an unexpected injury or an illness, and the financial hit that can be devastating.
As part of our Making It in San Diego initiative, 10 News reporter Amanda Brandeis looks at ways that you can prepare for the unexpected.
Okay, Phoenix.
It's been 19 months since Cat Blue's life changed forever.
I was rear-ended at a red light February 1st, 2018.
Blue had previous head injuries before.
This one resulted in a concussion that just never went away.
It would be a few weeks until she realized her new normal would be living with a traumatic brain injury.
Frustration and just a huge sense of being overwhelmed by the simplest things.
Being in PR and marketing, she could barely write an email or talk on the phone. It was a reality she wasn't prepared for.
You have to advocate for yourself because there's no one else, there's no one within the system who's really going to do it for you.
She's relied on Medicaid for health care, which helped with resources like a nurse. But she says there's holes in the system.
Okay, let's go this way. I'm still fighting to get a TBI specialist.
The county is ready to help San Diegans whose incomes have been impacted by an unexpected disability, like CalFresh, CalWorks, and Medi-Cal.
You may not need our benefits today, but in the future, if you do, we're here, and we encourage everybody to apply.
Rick Wani with the county says calling 211 is also a great first step.
Housing resources, where to find your a local medical provider.
But one of the best protections is being prepared before an injury. Disability insurance replaces part of your monthly salary if you can't work. You can get coverage through an employer or buy it from an insurer. Long-term disability insurance typically pays 40 to 60% of your income for 5 years or longer if you're unable to work.
They're musicians' earplugs, so I'll put these in if I ever go to a store or restaurant.
Most people, like Blue, never expect a life-changing disability will happen to them. But the Social Security Administration says 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled for 90 days or more before retirement. While different factors affect cost, the annual price for a long-term disability insurance policy generally ranges from 1 to 3% of your annual income. It could be a critical safety net down the line, protecting one of your most important assets, the ability to make a living. Amanda Brandeis, 10 News.